Okay, so dito ako malapit na hotel sa ano na to, all the Chinese community. Yung sa kabila na all new Chinese community, but this is the all the classic inspired Hong Kong Kowloon squatter area na Chinatown na kumbaga kahit sino pwede, any Buddhist or any religion na pwede mag-rent dyan. So iba't ibang klase ng tao, iba't ibang country, iba't ibang nation. So ayun, so gusto ko lang ipakita yung inspired nung building, kung paano yung design niya. So if it's worth it to stay in Malaysia, para sa akin it's depend. If you are professional or you have a good job, you can stay in Malaysia. But if you don't have any diplomatic career or university or any office or call center experience job, you are not okay to stay in Malaysia because the cost of the building of their living is expensive, maybe 1.5% from other countries. So yun yung gusto kong sabihin. So if you have a condo or on your own territories, you can stay in Malaysia even you have part-time job and you don't have a regular job or work for everyday daily work. So ayun, so dahil may condo ako sa Pilipinas, it's cash, and also I pay for the tax, everything pay. I don't have problem for living in Manila, Philippines. So I go now to India, so Malaysia to India right now, so I don't have any problem at all about financing because I have only 2 kids, Hiro and Gabi, and my husband always do a birth control every year to check out my fertility issue, and that's why we don't have many kids. All our kids or all our babies on the list, and also had education and finish to college. No tambay, no gangsta, no matter bad moral character into my family. So ayun, there's no safe place to all targeted individual out there. Take care always, everyone.